Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel if you're an oldie but a goodie. So we are going to be deep cleaning the patio. I wanted to take you guys along the process. It was such a hot mess. It was dust everywhere, pollen everywhere. So I needed to take it from dusty to clean, and I wanted to take you guys along the process because we are getting ready for some barbecues and we're just going to be spending a lot more time outdoors. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the before, and as you guys can see, pollen had taken over. Everything was just a dusty mess. So we needed to get this taken care of. Alrighty, so we started off with the leaf blowers, getting everything off the concrete because as you guys could see, there was just so much debris and dust. So we needed to get rid of all of that stuff first. So I just have a little electric one that I got from Home Depot, and then the one that Colton's using is a little bit stronger. It's gas powered or whatever. So yeah, we're just using those to get everything off of the concrete. So we actually completely redone this area. You guys know that we've slowly but surely have been doing renovations to our home. We moved here 5 years ago and we're still working on stuff because it definitely takes time. But yeah, we completely redone this and it was quite the process. I wish I had a really great before picture, but I don't really have many before pictures of the outdoors. But it was completely different. It actually used to have a screened in section where the double doors are, and so much of it was screened in and the rest of it was open. And if you see the first break in the concrete, that's actually where it used to stop, and we extended it out just to make the space larger. But yeah, we have really taken our time and really just made this house a home for us. So we always try to make sure that we're taking care of it and keeping it clean. So we had to get this taken care of because it was just so dirty. So Colton's taking the trash out. We do like to keep a trash can outdoors just because when you're doing gatherings outside and you know you're eating and all of that, it's always really convenient to just have an outdoor trash can. And I got this one from Amazon and I'll link it below. It's actually has like the electric lid and stuff. So now I'm cleaning off this little bar cart, and I think I got this from Overstock. Really great for outdoors. We've had it out here for almost 2 years and it's still in really great condition. As you guys can see, it's really dusty, but it's really great quality. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the trash can because along with everything else, it was super dusty. But I just wanted to remind you guys that whenever you're doing renovations or you're working on your home, just remember that it takes so much time. Things are so expensive, and I don't want you guys to look at my videos and think, oh my gosh, your home, like it's so perfect or so beautiful, and think that we were able to do this overnight, because this has been years and years in the making, and we have really taken our time to do everything. I know it's common to see people on social media just move into a house and completely renovate it all at one time, but that was not the case for us. We decided to take our time and just do it slowly but surely. And if that's the season that you're currently in, I just want to remind you to enjoy it and enjoy the process. Take your time, find things that you're going to love, and just really enjoy the process, because I can't believe it's been 5 years for us. It does not seem like we've been in this house this long, and we have been able to do so many things, and I never imagined that our home would look like what it does now 5 years later. So yeah, if you're in the process of redoing your house, trying to paint, just do anything to it, just remember that it takes time, it takes money, and some of us, we have to save up to do different things, but enjoy the process. So Colton's just spraying everything down with the water hose just to get the pollen off of everything because it was everywhere. It was so bad here in Alabama this year. It just took over everything. So we always have to make sure that we're spraying it off because it literally just takes over. Was the pollen as bad where you live? And have you cleaned up your outdoor space yet, or are we just majorly behind? And one thing I love about this outdoor area is that it's big enough that you can have like a little living section and a dining section. So the furniture we picked up from Walmart, and I'll have it all linked below. We got it last summer and it has done a really great job. Now it is out of the weather, of course, but it's held up really good. So now I'm going in with a microfiber towel just to wipe everything down. Even though Colton sprayed it, there was still so much pollen still on there. So I'm just wiping off everything. And now we're moving on to this section. We're taking everything off the rug so that we can get it vacuumed. So now I'm gonna get all of that pollen off the rug, and I'm using my big plug-in Dyson vacuum cleaner. I love the cordless ones, but sometimes you just need that extra power, and I don't care what anybody says, those cordless ones don't have the same power as the ones with the cord. So I always have to have a cord vacuum on deck. So yeah, it is getting everything up. As you guys can tell, the rug almost looks brand new after I get done vacuuming it. And I got this rug from Overstock, so I will also link it below. And they were super affordable for rugs. You know, rugs can get kind of pricey. But yeah, I want to say that I paid less than $200. So yeah, definitely a great price for a good quality rug. And now I'm just gonna put everything back in place. I took the cushions off because they needed to be cleaned. So I'm just putting everything back. So whenever the cushions are cleaned, everything will be in its place. I set all the cushions out so I could spray them and get them nice and clean. And I'm using this Great Value all-purpose cleaner, and it's really like a magic cleaner. This stuff works so good. I love this one, and then they have another one with bleach, and it works wonders. But yeah, I'm just spraying all over these cushions, and I'm just gonna let it sit a little bit. I also go back with Dawn dish detergent and add a little bit of that as well, but I forgot to record that clip. But those were the only two products that I used, and they got the cushions really clean. And we let the cushion sit for about 20 minutes, and now we're just spraying it down with the water hose. We're gonna use the pressure washer, but for some reason we couldn't get it to start. So we're just using the regular water hose, and it has an attachment on it, and we're using the jet setting. So it lets out the water pretty strong. So it was able to get all of the stains out. And as you guys can tell, the cushions are coming pretty clean. And after cleaning the cushions, we let them sit out overnight just so that they could dry really good. And that was pretty much it for the cleaning of our patio. We set everything back up and it looked so much better afterwards. So here's a shot of what everything looked like. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't cleaned your outdoor area, hopefully this video inspired you to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have links to everything in the description box below. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!